Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius on your Voltas AC remote. First, make sure your remote has working batteries and is powered on. Next, find the mode or function button, which is usually clearly labeled. Point the remote directly at your Voltas AC unit to ensure proper communication. This initial setup is crucial for the following steps to work correctly and efficiently. We'll guide you through each part of the process. Now, to access the temperature settings, simultaneously press and hold both the temp up and temp down buttons on your remote. Keep an eye on the remote's display screen. You should see a small F or C indicator. Once this indicator changes from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa, you can release the buttons. This action toggles the temperature display unit. It's a quick and simple way to switch between the two common scales. After releasing the buttons, carefully observe the temperature displayed on your remote screen. The unit should now clearly show C for Celsius, rather than F for Fahrenheit. To further confirm the change, try adjusting the temperature up or down by a few degrees. The numbers should reflect Celsius values, ensuring your AC unit is now operating and displaying in your preferred temperature scale. This step confirms the successful conversion. If the temperature unit doesn't change, first try replacing the batteries in your remote. Sometimes low power can prevent certain functions from working correctly. Also, remember that specific Voltas AC models might have slightly different remote layouts, so consulting your user manual can provide precise instructions for your unit. For more helpful tips and other great deals, including a fantastic e-reader for all your reading needs, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.